we must discuss the advancement of technology and the advocates, the practice. See, the advocates need to keep pace with the technological evolution. Digital transformation has taken place very fast in past few years, and more specifically in the past year itself. In the era of social distancing, we have to, or we are intricately connected with the digital world. Virtual conferencing has become the norms. But we need to take support and take help of the data analysis also. Since the data analysis is in the crux of every profession, every business as well. Sourcing data, management of data, analysis of data, converting the data analysis into action, which is more important, with an aim to improve advocacy and also with an aim to improve the client satisfaction. Because in this virtual world, the client satisfaction is also very important. Retaining the client is also very important, because the client requires and needs very quick service, very quick response. In today's scenario, the client is always in touch with you on your personal mobile phone, on WhatsApp, on social media if necessary. Massive data are transferred on email, on WhatsApp. The client expects the advocate or the clerk to get a print of the data, the documents, and present it for study and preparation of the case. Everything is taking place now through digital channels. Every organization, institution, commercial organization, governmental organization, even the honorable courts at all levels have shifted to digital medium. And the performance is also very satisfactory. It is also true that this digital transformation is somewhat forced upon us, but nonetheless, it is going to last longer and have to a lasting impact on the world. Good impact and bad impact of everything is there. Similarly, with this digital transformation, some bad things also happen. In past few years, we have seen that those companies and business who could not adapt to this changing world or changing technological advancements, they stumbled, dissolved. But at the same time, those companies who succeeded in adapting to the change, they are thriving. We as an advocate cannot remain aloof from all those things which are happening around us. Change is bound to take place in our profession also. We need to change, we need to adapt to the new technology. But first, every advocate has to change his own mindset. client service is to become supreme. Client satisfaction must always be intended during the practice. With an aim to best prepare and present the case of the client.